Welcome back. This is HSK Standard Chinese Language Course. In this lecture, we will study Lesson 2 of HSK1 Standard Chinese Language Course. If you are new here, I will recommend you to see our playlist and watch our first videos and then continue from here. In this series, we are focusing on HSK1. Our aim is to pass HSK1 within next few weeks. We just need 150 vocabulary words and it's gonna be easy. In this lecture, we will study second chapter, that is 谢谢你. 谢谢你. This means thank you. This is very important to say thanks to anyone, right? In any culture, in everyday life, you need to say thank you. In Chinese, you say 谢谢. 谢谢. That means thank you. For example, here you can see in this picture that boy is helping the woman to put the luggage into the car and she's saying thank you, 谢谢, and he's saying 不谢. 不谢. 不谢 means no need to say thanks. Sure. Let's see this in details. Here you can see 谢谢. These are the pinions 谢谢. And these are the writing strokes. If you are interested in writing Chinese, this is how you will write. 谢谢. It means thanks. Thank you. And in reply to 谢谢, you can say 不谢. 不谢. No need to say thanks. 不谢. 不. 不 means no, not. Don't. 不, no, please. No. 不. Okay, so in this picture you can see this lady is helping this old woman to give her some candies or some fruits. So she is saying, this old woman is saying 谢谢你. 谢谢你. It means thank you. And she's replying as 不客气. 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 If you have listened our last lectures, can you tell me that if this woman, younger woman, have to say thanks to this old woman, how will she say? Do you remember difference between ni and nin? Yeah. So if you want to say thanks to old person, you will say 谢谢您. And for the younger, you will say 谢谢你. In response to 谢谢你, you can say 不客气. This is more formal. 不客气. "谢谢你. Thanks. Thank you. This is how you will write this. 谢谢你. "不客气. 不客气. You are welcome. Literally it means you are so modest. 不, don't 客气, be modest. Don't say this. Thank you, welcome. You can say, in English you can translate it to you are welcome. Another important word, if you are going back, if you are saying okay, see you later, in Chinese you will say 再见. Goodbye. 再见. And in response you will say 再见. Bye. See you around. Whatever. Okay, 再见 means goodbye. 再见. 再 means again. 见 means meet. It means see you again. See ya. 再见. Okay, so now we will study some class words. These sentences are very important because if you are in Chinese class, your teacher will repeat these sentences So it's better you understand these voices. You don't have to remember these words because some of these words are not included in HSK1, but it's good if you know these words. Because in class you will hear this many times. For example, if you have to say open your book, it's 打开书. Shu is book. 打开书. Read aloud. 请大声读. 请大声读. Read once again. If you want to tell your teacher, please read it again. 再读一遍. 再读一遍. Do you remember 再见? 再 is again. 再读一遍. 一起读. 一起读. Read together. 一起读. 有问题吗? Any questions? 有问题吗? So you remember this. 有问题吗? It means do you have any problem? Do you have any question? So in next video I will say 有问题吗? I will not ask you if you have any question, you can comment. I will say 有问题吗? If you have any 问题, you can tell me. 问题 is question. 有问题吗? Okay, this was today's lecture. If you haven't subscribed it yet, go and subscribe our channel right now. And don't forget to see more and scan these codes to join our Facebook and YouTube channel. If you have any question, you can comment it. Or you can also join our WhatsApp group to ask more questions and learn together. If you think this video is useful for you, give it a like and share it with your friends. Until then, see ya. 再见.